Joe here again, back at hairforall.com. Just wanted to give a further video just talking around life before having a hair system, or what impact that can have on you, your confidence and the maintenance of what goes behind having a non-hair for all life. Prior to it, like I said in my previous video, I lost my hair, started noticeably sort of thinning and losing hair on the crown on here as well, probably when I was around 25. And more it became more and more apparent in terms of my confidence and just basically always constantly wanting to cover up and feeling nervous and wearing hats, which we all know is a vicious circle with hair loss. You're covering it up, but at the same time you're making the cycle worse when you're wearing a hat, because when you're wearing a hat you're increasing sweat levels, which then basically breaks the hair from the cuticle within, and then your hair just basically falls out even quicker. Then I basically come on to a life of hair fibers, which we all see in the in our local supermarkets and sort of Boots, Superdrug. Hair fibers are a fantastic thing. However, you do have the flip side of having that. One, you have to do the daily maintenance of putting the hair fibers in. Then you have to be concerned about if it starts raining, and we all know what happens when it starts raining, and especially if you have hair colour of mine, you can noticeably see if your hair starts running down the side of your face. Not what you want, especially when you're out and about in the public and you think to yourself, crap. So yeah, then I moved on to basically thinking, what could I do to change this? I then went on to think, do you know what, I need to accept who I am. I'm just going to shave my hair off. Yeah, it was all well and good, but it just wasn't me. I felt like I lost my identity, who I was, and I lost my confidence. So then I thought to myself, what could I do? In that point, I come across Hair for All. I then got in touch with Phil Osmond and Alex Williams. We had a long talk about what my system could look like and what it could do for me and how they could transform. Naturally, it's so exciting to think what they could do for me. I travelled here to Bristol, we had a conversation, we put basically a temporary system on my head to show me what it would look like, and then we basically did made an order for one made to my fit, to my hair colour, and that's when my life started with hair systems, and I wouldn't ever look back, I would never get rid of one. It's so easy to maintain, which you will see in other videos, that you will see a notable difference to your future if you go for a hair system. I strongly recommend that you look into this and how it would work around with your life, but if you have a normal working day life, there's no reason you can't have a hair system. But yeah, contact hairforall.com, or otherwise look at the videos on the YouTube website, or otherwise go back to hairforall.com. Thanks, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.